Hold on and stop scrolling. I bet you didn't know starting an online business will allow you to work from anywhere and anytime you want. In addition, you'll be free of extra office expenses that comes with every other startup. On the other hand, if you are looking for an online business idea to work for other companies from home and earn a living, you are in the right place. No matter what position you are looking for, here you will find many profitable ideas, and if you stay to the end of this video, I have a highly valuable tip on a business model you can start that promises to 10x your bank balance. So watch till the very end of this video. Let's see what business ideas or job positions that are available for your growth in 2023 to decide on which business is more suitable for you to start. Hello guys, you're welcome to the Passive Income channel where we talk about money non-stop. As a six-figure affiliate marketer with 7 years of experience and also starting up several successful businesses, I'm going to be sharing with you tips and ways you can earn money passively. So do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell if you want to see more videos from me that will change your financial life. Ciao. Almost all online businesses start with a blog. So if you are good at writing and like the concept of digital marketing and also informing others about a specific niche, blogging can be a good choice, except if you're on another side of the planet and totally have no clue on how the internet or alphabet works. You can either work for other businesses and write their blogs or start your own blog. If you want to work for other businesses and help them grow, you don't need any capital to start and earn a living. However, to start your website, you need to pay for hosting and maintenance. In addition, you have to work daily to make your blog appear on search engines and also to earn money from it through advertising or sponsored posts. To break into the blogging world, in addition to your writing skills, you also need to know some basic SEO skills, which is search engine optimization skills. And you also need to write captivating and unique content that can help your business grow. However, to maximize your success, you need to know how to make it appear in Google search engine results to a larger audience. Visual content on the internet never gets boring or out of trend. Everything from photo carousels and clips to memes and short films are popular and have a large demand in online world. So if you like taking photos and videos and editing them and sharing them with others, it can be a great business idea for you. All you just need is a camera and a few accessories to take photos and videos of yourself. However, if you don't possess a camera, come on, who don't possess a camera in this age or in this century, except you're using a potato to take pictures? Anyway. So you can create films and images by learning to use editing apps such as Photoshop and Premiere Pro. If you already have an offline store or like crafting and making stuffs, you can earn a living by displaying your goods online to a wider audience. To do that, you don't need any technical skills. Numerous e-commerce platforms can help you build your online store effortlessly. On the other hand, if you don't have anything to sell but still like the idea of having an online store, you can launch a dropshipping e-commerce business. It's a great online business idea, especially if you are good at sales and marketing. All you need to do is build a shipping platform, display it, and market other sellers' goods. After shipping each product, you get a commission on the profit. But to get there, you need to work on branding, advertising, selling strategies, and also customer service skills. Social media marketing is probably the most profitable online business idea in 2023. If you don't mind showing your face to online audiences just like I'm doing, or creating content based on trending topics to get likes and comments, then consider social media marketing as a big time career. Of course, you can be a social media marketing consultant and help other businesses grow instead of your own page or your own channel or your own social media pages. That way, you already have the idea of content to create. All you need to do is learn about the different platforms' algorithms and how to optimize the content on each of those pages. Also, you need to learn how to engage your audience, respond to their questions, and keep the brand on track. which is very essential for growth and for making huge sales. Affiliate marketing is a way of advertising other businesses' products and collecting commission after each sale. For instance, you can offer products on Amazon on your website or share them on social media through a special referral link. Then, when someone clicks on your link to purchase the product, you'll get a commission for each product that is being sold. If you want to be successful in this career, you should focus on a specific niche. Find your audience interest, build a personal brand, and then offer products related to your brand. In addition to Amazon, you can find other affiliate programs like Shopify to double your income. Every service you can think of can be sold online. Every service you think of, from teaching courses and creating how-to posts, consulting and bookkeeping, anything can be offered online. You may even have a special skill that others don't. That's your best idea to sell online. Find the right audience in your niche. See on which platform they are most active and create unique content for them. You can even show your services to a wider audience and attract them by advertising on Google or any of the social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or on TikTok. Alright, so the bonus tip you have been waiting for. The bonus tip I'm about to share with you right now is something that has helped me 10x my income and saved me from going broke. And I strongly believe if you apply what I'm about to teach you right now or share with you right now, it has a very high chance of changing your life and taking you out of your mama's basement. So, why do I keep saying that? Information products. When you have an internet business, it doesn't have to be about selling physical products. In fact, digital information products are one of the easiest and quickest way to make money. There's no shortage of ways to create information products, but the most popular formats include an audio format, which is a recorded teleconference or interview or a course or some other spoken word products. You can make it a video-based content, and that is recording a webinar or a how-to or an interview, or simply make it text-based in form of an ebook, an instruction booklet of some sort, or a travel guide. So in each of these categories, you can really get creative and make any type of format of content as long as it is engaging, and the most important part of it, the content has to be useful. So no matter which way you do it, it's passive income, money you earn while you sleep. Because you put this product up for sale on your website and a customer can buy and download them at any time of the day or night automatically. So all you have to do is check the sales periodically to see what topics or types of products that are selling best, so you can make or put more videos out there so you can reach a wider audience. The trick with any online business is to make sure you are in a profitable niche. So be sure to keep an eye on trends, check out bestsellers lists on sites like Amazon, and consider what people are discussing on social media. But one thing to keep in mind is that you don't have to restrict yourself to just one of these e-commerce opportunities. There are numerous e-commerce opportunities out there that you can binge on and to make you a lot of money. So start out with one and get it going. Don't wait, start out with one and get it going. Then add new revenue streams as you are able. That will grow your income and ensure that you have something to fall back on should one business start going south. The online business ideas we've listed here are among the most profitable ones. However, if you are not interested in any mentioned in this video, don't worry, you can click on the videos recommended on the screen. I'm going to be uploading videos periodically, so you can also make sure to hit the like and smash the subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can get informed when I drop any new video. So thanks for watching, guys, and if you find this video helpful, see you on the next one.